Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all doing great and your preparations are going well. आज बहुत दिन बाद हम किसी कॉलेज के प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट्स के साथ आए हैं because we thought it would be a good change from all the heavy news that we bring to you every day about different policies, about when are the colleges reopening and a lot of other things. तो आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं माइका के बारे में और माइका में हाईएस्ट सीटीसी प्रीवियस प्लेसमेंट सीजन में गया था 58 lakhs. We all know that Mica is a very different college, but also one of the most promising B schools in the country. हमेशा top 15-20 में रहता है Mica, and it is a dream of a lot of people who want to pursue their MBA in the field of marketing and related fields, right? तो इसके बारे में हम और देखते हैं, इसकी placement report study करते हैं, and let's get into the details of it. तो सबसे पहले हमें ओवरव्यू दिया है एक माइका के बारे में जिसमें लिखा है माइका अहमदाबाद is perhaps the only institute in Asia dedicated to creating leadership in strategic marketing and communication. Mica's mission is to develop empathetic leaders and thinkers who are creative and adaptive problem solvers for a rapidly changing world. Mica's dynamic curriculum incorporates contemporary learning methodologies like flipped classrooms, contextual training, and industry sessions. The diverse specializations facilitate learning across industries and sectors. तो इसमें हमें दिया है कि माइका is the only institute पूरे एशिया में जो कि डेडिकेटेड है लीडरशिप एंड स्ट्रैटेजिक मार्केटिंग एंड कम्युनिकेशन के लिए. माइका का मिशन है टू डेवलप एम्पैथेटिक लीडर्स एंड थिंकर्स एंड माइका का करिकुलम भी बहुत डिफरेंट है एंड स्पेशलाइजेशंस ऑफर्ड जो हैं वो हैं एडवर्टाइजिंग एंड ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट, डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन मैनेजमेंट, मार्केटिंग एनालिटिक्स, मीडिया एंड एंटरटेनमेंट मैनेजमेंट. सो गाइस ये सारे बहुत डिफरेंट स्पेशलाइजेशंस हैं जो बाकी के बी स्कूल्स में बहुत कम, बहुत रेयरली होते हैं. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर एनी बी स्कूल ऑफरिंग सच अ ब्यूटीफुल रेंज ऑफ स्पेशलाइजेशंस. नहीं तो यूजुअली एचआर, मार्केटिंग, ऑपरेशंस, फाइनेंस यही सारे होते हैं मोस्टली, या बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट मैनेजमेंट. दीज आर द बेसिक थिंग्स दैट आई हैव हर्ड ऑफ. सो दिस इज एन ओवरव्यू ऑफ what does MICA stand for और क्या क्या specializations offer करता है. Let's move on to the next slide and understand the placement highlight. So कुछ basic highlights दिए हैं. 3 in 10 students bagged a PPO or a PPI. That we can say that around 30% of the students had a PPO or a PPI. Domestic salary high up from 25 to 33 lakhs per annum this year. तो पिछले साल 25 लाख per annum थी highest salary, इस साल 33 है. एवरेज सीटीसी पिछले साल 12.8 था, इस बार 13.9 है. There has been a 67% increase in FMCG offers this year, and median salary has gone up from 11.4 LPA to 12 LPA this year. So ये सारे figures are really good. FMCG का बहुत ज़्यादा attraction है, as we can see 67% increase हुआ है, and all the salaries have increased, be it median, average, or the highest domestic salary. So if the highest domestic salary is 33, then what is the 58 lakh salary that we talked about? So 58.2 lakh per annum जो offer है, ये एक international offer है. This is the highest CTC offered. Highest domestic CTC is 32.8 lakh per annum. Average is 13.9 lakh per annum. There were total number of recruiters जो कि 88 थे. अब यहाँ पे जो brackets में आप जो figures देख रहे हैं, ये सारे figures जो हैं, ये previous year के statistics हैं. और ऊपर बड़े फॉन्ट में बोल्ड में जो है वो सारे इस साल के स्टैटिस्टिक्स हैं. Just like the previous year, there was 100% placements that were achieved. Sector wise recruiters हैं advertising, analytics, BFSI, consulting, FMCD, retail, FMCG, IT, ITES, e-commerce, media and others. तो ये सारे जो हैं ये हमारे sectors दिए हुए हैं. And here we can see the average, the highest domestic and the highest international packages that were offered. So all these figures are extremely promising, guys. सेक्टर ओवरव्यू जो हमें दिया है थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में देखते हैं. यहाँ पे हमें दिया है ई कॉमर्स के बारे में और एफएमसीडी और रिटेल के बारे में. ई कॉमर्स में और आईटीएस में टोटल नंबर ऑफ कंपनीज 19 थी. हाईएस्ट ऑफर गया था 27.5 लाख पर एनम. एवरेज सीटीसी था 15.8 लाख पर एनम एंड टोटल ऑफर्स वर 37. तो जो 19 कंपनीज आई थी उन कंपनीज ने 37 ऑफर्स दिए हैं in the field of e-commerce, IT और ITES. इसमें there were beautiful companies like Amazon, Flipkart, BrowserStack, Google, Intel and more. तो obviously यहाँ पे सारी companies के नाम हम लिख नहीं सकते. FMCD and retail में there were 12 companies Highest CTC was 26.3 lakh. Average was 13.9 and total offers were 27. As we can see, e-commerce का average जो है वो FMCG retail से ज़्यादा है. इसमें there were companies like Aditya Birla, Puma, Raymond, Target, Titan, and many more. So this was a sector overview for e-commerce, ITES, FMCG, and retail. Let's move forward and see कि और कौन से sectors के बारे में हमें information दी है. So we have a lot of sectors here और इसके बारे में हम देखते हैं. Analytics, BFSI and consulting में total number of companies were 18. Highest CTC था 20, average था 11.2 और total office है 26. तो average इस sector में सबसे कम था 11.2. FMCG में total 12 companies थी. Highest CTC 58.2 था. As we can see that FMCG has given the highest CTC of the whole batch जो कि 58.2 था जो कि international offer था. Average CTC is the highest here 21.7 because उसका highest CTC भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. Total offers made were 20. 10 companies जो कि दूसरे sectors से थी. Highest CTC 26, average CTC 12.5 and total number of offers made were 17. So guys, as we can see, although the average salary and the median salary in MICA is not that attractive, it's not like 17, 18, 20, it's below 15, but still the highest salaries are very good and the average and median salaries are pretty decent. The kind of roles that you will get are amazing, the kind of sectors and companies that visit are amazing, और आपके जो specializations है बहुत ही amazing है. ऐसे बहुत कम colleges हैं, and as I said, I can't think of any college right now that offers such a variety of specializations. And somebody who's genuinely interested in the marketing side of MBA, you guys should definitely apply to MICA. It's a beautiful college and a very good B school. So guys, I hope this was informative to you. You guys enjoyed this. बहुत time बाद एक placement related news हम लेके आए हैं. This is all to motivate you and just to, you know, just so you could gear up and start preparing for your exams. And if there's anything that you want to talk about, please write in the comments below. We'd love to engage with you. And I'll see you soon again with another news. Before that, subscribe to Cat King, press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any information. I'll see you again. Until then, stay updated, stay motivated, keep working hard. A very, very big good luck from my side.